We as Koh Young are very happy to be exhibiting again at this year's Productronica 2025. And of course, most excited we are about having you, our customers, on our booth. As always, we really focus on our hospitality. So we love to have you over, have a talk, listen to your needs, and then, of course, to show you what we've got new in the pocket for you. So here we are standing in front of our new SPI system, the 8033. So for this year's show, John is the operator for our new SPI system. John, tell us, what is new about the 8033?
On the 8033, we have the telecentric lens. It's an L platform, and also we are launching the new SPI software on this.
Okay, so the telecentric lens you mentioned, what are the advantages of it?
Yeah, thank you for asking. The telecentric lens is faster than the old lens. Inspection time is shorter compared to the last platform.
And on this system, right, we are giving actually a preview of our new soon-to-be-released system, RTOS. Can you explain us what is the advantage and what is good about RTOS?
Thank you very much. Unlike the previous software, the RTOS you can do the programming, inspection, judgment, XPC, all in one software. You don't have to switch from one software to the next just to use a new function.
Okay. Can I use it for my SPI and AOI as well?
You can use it for all the whole machines.
Great. So it has common GUI,
yeah,
right?
Common tool for SPI, AOI machines.
Thank you. So this is our new Zenith UHS 60mm measurement system. Hao-Tien, can you tell me a little bit more about it?
Yes. Yeah. And actually, as you can see, here is our Zenith UHS model, but actually it's a special edition. It can measure extra high component up to 60 millimeter. Compared to the standard model, it also has a 9-way projector, 8 PCT projector and 1 DLP. And regarding the RGB light green, it has a compact model. And this can allow us to have a higher top clearance up to 100 millimeter.
Also, this system, we are showcasing our new auto programming, right?
Exactly, yes. And this feature, KAP, Koh Young automatic programming process, is also one of our AI enhanced feature. It will help us to automatically assign packages for the customer's new product. We have a predefined library, golden library. We also call it KP library. We have been predefined in our KSMART server. And in this golden library, we have like over 2,000 sampled packages. Yeah, and during the auto programming process, the AI engine will help the user to automatically assign packages and related inspection conditions onto those packages in our golden library, KAP library.
Great, so yeah. I guess it seems to save a lot of time for our customers.
Exactly.
Great, thank you, Hao-Tien. It is quite obvious that at this year's Productronica, the big buzzword is AI. Of course, we also brought our new AI solutions to the booth. But tell us, Ian, what do you think is Koh Young's differentiator when it comes to AI?
The biggest difference for AI solution provided by Koh Young is that we take the approach that is nothing conventional. The conventional way of dealing with those problems that they face every day is to basically using those 2D images. By using 2D images, it's much straightforward. So they start applying it to check, all kinds of defects. But we all know that 2D is not the answer for everything. For example, for coplanarity, 3D is always more accurate, more precise compared to the 2D when we deal with those kind of issues. So in Smart Review, for example, we classify those defects into 2 categories, which are image-based. The other one is measurement-based. So for image-based, it's similar to the conventional way, but how we deal with the measurement-based defects is we basically, instead of using the 2D images, we talk with numbers. Whether a component is good or bad really depends on the numbers, not the images. So it's basically whether the measurement result that we checked from the machine is actually inside or outside of the tolerance. It is what really matters. So what we do instead in the measurement-based defect items, the AI will collect good data along with false call data. And based on that, we will run what we call a statistical analysis. Based on that, we will provide a new set of tolerance, which is more realistic and more optimized for the actual production environment of each customer.
Great. And can you also show us a little intro into Koh Young's Smart Review, which utilizes this AI?
Yeah, let me give you an example over here. So this is a pad overhang defect for this capacitor. From the machine, the tolerance is set to be plus minus 120, and the measurement result is negative 132, which means because this measurement result is outside of this original tolerance, which makes the component to be classified as defect. However, based on AI trained on those good data, those false call data, now AI thinks, oh, you know what? Based on what I've trained, I think this plus minus 132 can be a more realistic, more optimized, more customized tolerance for this item on your line. So now, because this measurement result lies within this new set of tolerance, now this is classified as pass by the AI and suggested by AI. So based on this, which means not only just depending on the instinct or judgment of the people, which is always prone to making human errors. Instead, we're now talking with numbers, talking with data, which makes the review process much more reliable, easier, and faster.
Great. Thank you, Ian.